One of the things I always get asked by students is how to type the Spanish letters on a keyboard. Well, there are a couple of ways of doing this. The first one is by installing the language software on your computer, which is super fácil to do. And this is the one that I'm going to talk you through in this video. And I'm also going to share with you a shortcut that I learned, which will allow you to easily switch between the languages on your keyboard without going into the settings. The other way is by using a shortcut codes on your numbers keypad, and I'll get to that in a minute. But first, if you're new around here, bienvenidos, me llamo Kelly, and this is Adventures in Spanish. And I've been delivering and creating fun and engaging Spanish lessons since I moved back to the UK after an epic 20-year adventure in South America. Okay, so on to solution numero uno. Okay, so we are now going to install the language software on your computer. Go down to your Windows button and right click and open up the settings. The settings open and you'll see here on the left you've got a list of all the different settings. Here we have time and language. Click on time and language and region. Click on that and you'll see preferred languages. The button here says add a language. You can add that language like that and just literally type in the language that you want to add. Spanish. I've already got Spanish installed on my computer from Argentina, so let's add Español from Bolivia. Just click on it and next. You'll have the language pack and the handwriting, so that will be the grammar, and you'll be able to write the letters, the Spanish letters, with the keyboard. And you just install it, and that's it. Super fácil. And then I told you I was going to show you a shortcut and how to switch between the languages, because if you see at the bottom of your screen, bottom right, you'll see that you have the option to switch between your languages here. I have English and I have Español. Rather than clicking on that each time, I can literally, on my keyboard, click Alt and Shift, and I can click and I can change between them there. I can swap between them, Español, Inglés, Español, Inglés. Doesn't get much easier than that. The other solution I mentioned, solution numero dos, is also super fácil. You don't need to install any software for this. So if you only need to type occasionally in Spanish, this might be the best option for you, as it basically allows you to type the Spanish letters ñ and the E with the accent on it, but it doesn't include all the spell and grammar checks the installed software does. To learn how to do this, you'll need to watch a different video I made. You'll find the link below. Well, that's all from me. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Gracias, adios!